Hey guys, in today's video I'll be showing you how I achieve this style using clip-ins from HerGivenHair. So I'll be using the Kinky Blow-out clip-ins from HerGivenHair. This is the Glam set. This set comes with 2 5-clip wefts, 2 4-clip wefts, 2 3-clip wefts, and 4 2-clip wefts, for a total of 10 clip-ins altogether. So for this installation, I decided to only leave the front perimeter of my hair out. So now I'm just going to take y'all through the process of me installing these clip-ins. So at this point, I've used all of the clip-ins except for 2 of the 2-clip clip-ins. So now I'm just going to try to show you guys what I did because I ended up rearranging some of the clip-ins. I think it's easier to start from the front just to make sure you have the right coverage. So I have the 5-clip clip-in right along the front of my leave out, and then right behind that I have one of the 4-clip clip-ins. And then from there, I just installed whatever clip-in fit in the section. But I did find it important to do the front first and adjust from there. So I really love the texture of this hair and the way the hair feels. I feel like the hair blended very well with my natural hair. I feel like I could just wear the hair just like this in its natural state. I also wanted to do this no part installation so that I can easily pull my hair back in a ponytail if I wanted to. Today I decided to use this Conair Infinity Pro to create some curls in my hair. So now I'm just going to show you guys how I styled my hair. So I love how natural this hair looks. I definitely feel like this could be my own hair. I think it matches my texture well, and I found it pretty easy to curl. So now I'm just going to take my leave out and straighten it and blend it with the rest of the hair. Alright guys, so here are my final results. I love the way that this hair turned out. I think it looks so natural, and I'm happy that I was able to achieve this style with such minimal leave out. Thanks again to HerGivenHair for sponsoring this video. Everything that I used in this video will be linked down below in the description box. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.